we're here today in our high school auditorium, and some of my high school students have formed a brass quintet. And that means there's 5 different students playing different brass instruments. Actually, we're going to meet the different instruments of the quintet right now. And then the students are going to tell us a little bit about how they do what they do in their quintet. Look at all these different instruments we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My name's Josh. I play second trumpet on this piece.
I'm Niraj. I play the trombone.
I'm Kemper. I play tuba.
Woo.
I'm Brian. I play the horn.
Yes, Brian.
I'm Tom, and I also play the trumpet.
This trumpet is kind of different. But what's going on with that trumpet?
This is called a rotary trumpet. These are typically found in Europe, mainly Austria. I got this for Christmas this year.
Nice. So show us how you play it. Just how do you hold it?
So, normal trumpet, you hold it upright, like so. But this one, it's kind of sideways, so that it has room for all the valves. You play just like a normal trumpet. It's just the valves feel a lot different.
Awesome. So what piece are you guys rehearsing?
The piece is called Elsa's Procession to the Cathedral by Richard Wagner.
You forget your music today?
Yeah, I had to put it up on my computer.
All right, no problem. You know, we make it work. When you guys have a rehearsal, like how do you like run your rehearsal?
Usually we start with a full run through, just to see the different spots that we need to work on, and then we'll go back and like nitpick little details.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think I got a little video of you guys kind of working on stuff.
Just a little bit, like a little lift on the end of every note. Yeah. Okay.
Can we get like a little sample of what you guys are working on?
Sure. Yeah. Sure.
So there you go, guys. That is our high school brass quintet. Tom, let me get you in there. There you are. I think all you guys out there, if you haven't tried it, you should try playing in a small group. These guys pretty much formed this group all by themselves. I didn't tell them to do it, and they got it together, and they sound awesome. So thanks for letting us watch your rehearsal today, guys, and we'll see you next time.